Good morning, everyone. Statistics part 2, in which chapter number 1, the most important chapter in our syllabus, probability. Today we are going to see the examples of numericals based on addition rule of the probability. The addition rule of the probability is P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. This is the addition rule, right? These are the examples based on textbook and illustration example. Keep textbook with you. In our textbook, statistics part 2, on page number 27, example number, illustration number 19. Illustration number 19, see the example, read the example, try to understand the example and then see the solution. 50 natural numbers. First 50 natural numbers. One number is selected. A number is selected from first 50 natural numbers. Therefore, sample space or universal set U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 50. Therefore, number of the sample points in a sample space n of U 50 C1 equal to 50. Selection of one item out of 50 items. There are two events we assume. Let A be the event and B be the event. A be the event that selected number is a multiple of 2 and B be the event that selected number is a multiple of 3. Now multiple of 2 are which numbers? See, 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 50. Multiple of 3, 3, 6, 9, 48. Multiple of 2 as well as multiple of 3, 6, 12, 18, etc. up to 48. A means multiple of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. Therefore, 25 numbers are in favor of A. Probability of A, favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. 25 numbers which are multiple of 2 out of 50 numbers. Out of 50 numbers, 25 numbers are there which are multiple of 2, means even numbers. Therefore, 25 upon 50 is the probability of occurrence of A. Probability of B, multiple of 3. There are 16 numbers, 3, 6, 9, 12 up to 48. 16 numbers are there. Therefore, probability of B is 16 upon 50. Favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. A and B both occur at a time. Multiple of 2 as well as multiple of 3. There are 8 numbers, 6, 12, 18 up to 48. Therefore, probability of A intersection B is 8 upon 50. Favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Now, apply the rule. Multiple of 2 or multiple of 3. The required probability is probability of A union B. Multiple of 2 or multiple of B, or means union. P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. This is known as addition rule of the probability. Substitute the value 25 by 50, 16 upon 50, 8 upon 50, 50 is the LCM. In the numerator 25 plus 16 minus 8. Ultimately the answer will be probability of A union B is 33 upon 50. This is only the required ones. Out of the two events which is used in the next example, out of the two events, event A and event B, if one and only one event occur, the required probability, that probability of A intersection B dash means A happening and B not happening, or probability A not happening and B happening, means occurrence of A and non-occurrence of B. Non-occurrence of A and occurrence of B means this is happening of only one element. It is given by using formula. In well in advance we have seen the formula. This is given by probability of A union B minus probability of B plus probability of A union B minus probability of A. And if you substitute the value, then you will get the answer. This is separate notes, important notes for the one and only one event occur out of the two events. Now the other example. See, in our textbook Statistics Part 2, on page number 28, example number 20, a card is drawn from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. A card is drawn from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. The total outcomes are 52C1 means 52 number of the outcomes, total outcomes. Let A be the event that card is of club and B be the event that card is of queen. Now there are 4 sheets: club, diamond, heart and spade, right? Each of 13 cards. Each card, number of the cards is 13. Probability of A, card is of club, 13 by 52. B, card is of queen, 4 by 52. Probability of A intersection B, card of club as well as card of queen. There are 4 number of the queens in the deck or in the pack of 52 cards. But the queen of club, unique card, only one card. Therefore, probability of intersection B is 1 by 52. See, these are the example based on addition rule of the probability. Here, what are the required probability? Number 1 and number 2. A union B. The first probability is either the card is of club or card is of queen, or A union B. P of A plus P of B minus P of intersection B. 13 by 52 plus 4 by 52 minus 1 by 52. Simplify and get the answer. 13 plus 4, 17. 17 minus 1 means 16. 16 by 52. Ultimately, the most simplified form is 4 by 13. 4 4s are 16. 13 4s are 52. 4 upon 13. Answer number 1. Either club or queen selected. Either club or queen is selected. Another step, the second event, neither queen nor club. Neither means not A and not B. Not A and not B. Probabilities A complement, intersection B complement. Means probability of A union B whole dash. Here dash is on both. Means this is by using De Morgan's rule. By using De Morgan's rule. If you have studied in the set theory so far, you can very well understand the probability of A complement intersection B complement is same as probability of A union B whole dash. It is also simplified by 1 minus probability of A union B. Now 1 minus result number 1, 4 by 13. And if you simplify, you will get 13 into 1, 13. 13 minus 4 means 9 upon 13 is our ultimate answer. Answer number 2. The selected card, the drawn card will be either a club or a queen. Answer is 4 by 13. Neither club nor queen. Answer is 9 by 13. All this is answer. Answer number 1. All this is answer. Answer number 2. See the example 31 on page number 31. Example number 22. See. Let A be the event. Let A be the event that. Let A be the event that a person reads newspaper X and B be the event that a person reads newspaper Y. 2 newspapers X and Y published in a certain town or in a certain city. The probability that a randomly selected person from the town or from the city reads newspaper is 0.55. Probability of A is 0.55. The probability that he reads newspaper B is 0.69. Probability of B is 0.69. Another newspaper. And the probability that he reads A and B both the newspapers X and Y is 0.27. Then what are the required probabilities? Number 1, he reads at least one of the 2 newspapers. Number 2, he reads neither of the newspaper, means neither A nor B. And he reads exactly one of the 2 newspapers. Then first This is the addition rule of the probability. At least one means either A or B. Probability of A union B. Addition rule of the probability. Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of intersection B. 0.55, 0.69, 0.27. Addition of these two, 1.24 minus 0.27. Ultimately, the answer will be probability of A union B is 0.97. Neither A nor B. He does not read any newspaper. Means both of them does not read any newspaper. Probability of A complement intersection B complement. It is also given by probability of A union B whole dash means whole complement. It is also given by 1 minus probability of A union B means 1 minus result number 1. Result number 1 is 0.97. Ultimately, the answer will be he does not read any newspaper, neither A nor B. Means probability of A complement intersection B complement is 0.03. Here also the third event is given that he reads exactly one, only one of the two newspapers. If he reads A, then does not read B. See this type of calculation. A and not B. Or if he does not read A newspaper, then he must read newspaper B. Probability of A intersection B complement or probability of A complement intersection B. Here due to the limitation of space, see the solution of the third event. Example number 22 in the third event. Apply this rule. Exactly one of the two events. Only one of the two events occur. Out of the two events A and B. If A occur, then B doesn't occur. If A does not occur, then B must occur. Right? This way, you substitute the value and simplify get the answer. You will get easily the answer. See, these are the example. In statistics part 2, probability, chapter number 1, probability, this chapter, probability is one of the most important chapter in statistical studies in our syllabus. So be practice very well and exhaustive practice. Exercise example, illustration example, example from PDF, from past board papers. Means practice. If you practice more, then you will get the idea as well as command on this method. Right? Minimum 10 to 12 example. So be practice very well. Thank you everyone. See you. સર જોઈ લો શું લખેલું એક્ઝામ 20% પાવર ઓફ લેબ કટ શું થયું કટ થઈ ગયો વિડીયો
ના બેટરી ડાઉન થઈ ગઈ છે.